The most challenging part about being a military teen is that your favorite word becomes goodbye.
Is not knowing when your parent is going to deploy and not being able to count on them being there for certain events and certain things.
I think the most challenging part of being a military teen is having to make friends.
I would definitely have to say it's feeling like you're isolated and feeling like you're alone and misunderstood.
Having your parents away for weeks or months at a time, but the youth center has always been there with volunteering events or just different events to bring families together. And the youth center is a huge help with everything in the military.
Having a teen center where you can go to, which is a dedicated place for people your age, and find common interests that you have with other people is super helpful.
As a military connected teen, when you move to a new place, go out, look for a teen center. It just provides that sense of stability and a home to military connected teens, because sometimes I know it feels like we don't have one, but we do. And it's your youth center. It's the place where you can go and be yourself authentically, and it is gonna have such an amazing impact on your life. I know it's had one on mine.
Without a doubt, youth programs help military teens because youth programs has let me turn past anxiety and depression into powerful impacts on other people. Youth programs, you get to truly connect with your peers as well.
Yeah, my favorite activities at the teen center would have to be our We Own Fridays, and we just have a party. We organize an event, we do things, activities, we go do anything from watching movies to playing games to running around outside, and it's honestly one of my favorite times.
We have several different programs that we encourage the children to open up and express themselves. We have Smart Girls, we have Wise Guys, we have Keystone, we have Torch Club, where they get to show all of their different talents. And so they have many outlets. They can participate in STEM, they can express themselves through art.
They have these programs that they offer, like Military Youth of the Year, Keystone, Passport to Manhood, Smart Girls, and all of these programs, the teens could go to any installation and they would find those same programs.
When I first joined the youth center, I didn't exactly know what I wanted to do, and being in so many clubs like Torch Club, I even joined robotics, there was 4-H and so many different opportunities that I was able to attend that really gave me the ability to expand my horizons and figure out what I really wanted to do.
So it's not only a learning opportunity, it's a growing opportunity. It's just a chance for people to really be themselves.
So you meet new people, you make connections, and they always use the word networking. So you always make connections across the globe, and it's an amazing thing. And even if the people do move away from the youth center, you know that if you're moving, you're going to have a youth center to go to and kind of make the same connections. And even if you're starting over, you're never starting at base one. You always know you have a second family to go to.
They know that there will be a staff there that will be there to help them and support them and encourage them along their journeys.
I believe that it's important for us to reach out to our youth and encourage them to come to our programs, because youth programs, the teen center, it's a place where you're going to find those skills that you're probably not going to get in school. You may not have a class in school that teaches you about financial literacy or how to have a checking account, but you can come to the youth center and learn those skills.
Military youth programs are important to military families because while our mission is to look after the kids in order for the military members to go and complete their mission, the essence of it, especially for 12 to 18, it's often overlooked that these are their most formative years.
It offers a safe and fun place for the youth to come and interact and find that home away from home.
As a future parent, that would be my dream.
My teen center, as a military connected teen, provided me stability. It provided me not just a family, but a community of people who accepted Asha for who she authentically was, even when I didn't know who I was authentically. All my fault, all the crazy parts of me, all the best parts, they accepted that.
I knew these military youth, this youth center, these programs are my family. And to this day, I still talk to every single one of those advisors, those staff, and those girls.
It's a military base, so all the kids at my youth center are going through similar experiences. So just being able to vent to them and them actually know what I'm going through, it really helped me deal with my dad's deployments.
The youth programs is needed and necessary for these teens for today. I mean, especially in this generation, they need us just like we need them.
If somebody was trying to get into youth programming, my advice would be just take that first step and do it. And you get so many opportunities. I've made so many connections, networking, and you find your true potential within youth programming.